Our hearts are the engines that keep us alive, yet many of us unknowingly engage in daily habits that can harm them over time. So, I think it's time you pay attention to these 8 common behaviors that might be slowly damaging your heart and some tips on how to make positive changes. The first thing is ignoring or neglecting to sleep. This is because if you're consistently getting less than 7 hours of sleep, it can increase the risk of high blood pressure or heart disease. The best option is to prioritize quality sleep by establishing a regular bedtime routine, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a restful sleeping environment. Number 2, eating processed foods or poor diet choices. Habitually consuming foods high in sodium, processed foods, saturated fats, and sugary drinks can lead to plaque buildup in arteries, potentially raising blood pressure and cholesterol level. Try and swap out processed snacks for fruits, veggies, and whole grains to nourish your heart. Number 3, sitting all day or sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long hours, whether at your desk or on the couch, can lead to poor blood circulation, weight gain, and higher risk of heart disease. The healthy way is to try to stand, stretch, and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. Even short walks can make a big difference. The fourth habits that can damage your heart health is when you ignore mental health. Anxiety and depression can both contribute to heart problems, so don't hesitate to seek help if you need it. Prioritize mental well-being just as you would your physical health. Number 5, smoking. Tobacco in any form damages blood vessels, increases blood pressure, raises the risk of clots, and is one of the leading causes of heart disease. So, if you smoke, consider a plan and seek support to quit to protect your heart. Your heart will thank you. Number 6, drinking or consuming excessive alcohol. While moderate drinking may have some heart benefits, excessive alcohol can raise blood pressure, damage the heart muscle, irregular heartbeats, and other heart complications. Stick to recommendations of not more than 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. The 7th habit is not able to manage stress well. Chronic stress or constant stress leads to high levels of the hormone cortisol, which can raise blood pressure and inflammation and negatively impact heart health. It's very important to incorporate stress relief techniques such as yoga, meditation, or breathing exercises into your routine. Don't forget your hobbies, as they can help you relax too. And lastly, skipping checkups. Regular health checkups can help catch issues early. Schedule routine visits with your healthcare provider to monitor your heart health, cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. The points are, for a lifestyle that improves your heart health, 1. Opt for a Mediterranean-style diet rich in fruits, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. 2. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. 3. Manage stress through mindfulness and relaxation techniques. And 4. Stay informed about your health metrics and maintain open communication with your doctor. Your heart deserves the best care possible. Make small, sustainable changes today for a healthier tomorrow. Share this video to spread awareness about heart health.